Namaste. The structure of DNA. What is DNA? The DNA is nothing but a deoxyribonucleic acid, and it is the hereditary material. Those are used for the transfer the characteristic of the first generation to second generation mainly by the one material is called the DNA. So let us we discuss about the structure of DNA. The DNA shape is like the twisted ladder. In this diagram that you are observing, those DNA having the step is there 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like as a ladder, and it is called as the double helix structure. Here this having the one ring is there, one ribbon is there, and along with another ribbon is there. These two ribbon that make a coiled structure, and it's called the double helix structure. The DNA is mainly made up of the nucleotide, and this nucleotide contains the three structure. First one, this is the phosphate group, second is the sugar, and third one, this is the nitrogen base. Three structure, those are combined together and that make a one structure. It's called the nucleotide. In these you can see this is the phosphate group, this is the sugar, and this is the nitrogen base. These three are combined together and they make a one structure. It's called as the nucleotide. These nucleotide have first nitrogen base. Those having four type of nitrogen base is there in the DNA. First one, this is the adenine, indicated by A. Cytosine is also indicated by C. Guanine G, and thymine T. In these nitrogen base, those are divided according to structure, mainly two types. First one, this is the pyrimidine derivative and purine derivative. In the pyrimidine derivative, those having the six-membered structure ring, and purine derivative having the six member, those are connected with the five members ring. In pyrimidine having two type of nitrogen base is there, cytosine as well as the thymine, and purine having two type of nitrogen base is there, guanine and adenine for the D and A. In second, this is the pentose sugar. Pentose, that means five membered structure of the sugar molecule. It's called the pentose sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 member structure. In this two type of sugar moiety is there. First one is a deoxyribose sugar moiety and ribose sugar moiety. Deoxyribose sugar moiety, those are specifically for the DNA, and the ribose sugar moiety, those are specifically for the RNA. Third, this is the phosphate group. This is the structure of phosphate group. These phosphate group having the four oxygen compound is there. These four oxygen compound are very important role in the DNA. In these this phosphate, those are connected with the deoxyribose sugar as well as the nitrogen base, and those are used for the making the nucleic acid like the DNA as well as the RNA, and this also used for the synthesis of the ATP, and ATP is the very good molecule for the development of the energy for our body. Then next we discuss about the polynucleotide. Here this is the polynucleotide ring is there. In these the nucleotide ring, those having the phosphate molecules, the pentose sugar and nitrogen base, this is called nucleotide. This is more than 13 nucleotide are connected by each other by bonding with the phosphodiesterase bond, and that make a one polymer structure of the nucleotide. It's called the polynucleotide. Poly, that means more number of the nucleotide, more number of particular thing. It's called the poly, and that make a polynucleotide compound. These two polynucleotide compounds are connected through each other in the opposite direction, and that make a one big structure. This big structure we can say this is the DNA. This DNA having mainly two type of bond is there. First one, this is the covalent bond, and second one, this is the hydrogen bond. So in this diagram or structure is the DNA. In this DNA you can see this is the phosphate molecule, this is the pentose sugar, and this is the nitrogen base. This is the 5 days 3 days ring is there, and in front of another ring is there of the polynucleotide ring. This is 3 days 5 days ring. In this is the opposite or anti-parallel ring is there. In this is the pentose sugar, this is the phosphate molecule, and this is the nitrogen base is there. Those two nitrogen base are of a opposite polynucleotide ring. Those are connected by the one specific bond. This bond we can say this is the hydrogen bond. And another, this is phosphodiesterase bond. The bond between the three number of the carbon of the pentose sugar, those are connected with the phosphate molecule, and this phosphate molecule, those are connected with the four number of carbon of pentose sugar ring by the one specific bond. This bond we can say this is phosphodiesterase bond, and that make one system. It's called the DNA. Here this is the summary of DNA. We have a double helix structure is there. Those double helix, the nitrogen base are arranged like in the DNA ladder format, and in this is the zooming structure of these. Those having this a two polynucleotide chain is there. This one is the 3 days 5 days, and this is the 5 days 3 days type of arrangement. So this is the simple structure of DNA. Thank you very much for watching Pharma Josh YouTube channel.